Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'm doing one such question that came in your JEE examination. Okay, this question came on 27th August 2021 and this question came on second shift. So let us see this question first. Question says, a constant magnetic field of 1 Tesla is applied in x equal to x greater than 0 region. So you have been given this diagram also. So at x equal to 0 point, the magnetic field of 1 Tesla starts, and it is also constant, which is given to you. A metallic circular ring of radius 1. So this is the metallic circular ring. Its radius is r is 1 meter. Is moving with a constant velocity of 1 meter per second. So it is moving like this with a constant speed of 1 meter per second along the x-axis at t equal to 0. So at t equal to 0, the center O of the ring is at -1 meter. So that means when time has been started, this O was at this -1 meter stand. Okay, this O is in the axis at 1 meter stand. So it is below this point of x equal to 0. So at this point you have started observing the motion. So what will be the value of the induced EMF in the ring at t equal to 1 second? And obviously at t equal to 1 second, because it is moving the speed of 1 meter per second. So after 1 second it will move a distance of 1 meter. So this O will come over here. Don't you think? So this O will come over here. Since this loop of wire is constantly moving into the magnetic field, there is a change in flux linked to the coil. Okay, constantly the flux is changing. So the magnetic field passing through this loop is changing. So flux is linked to it. Whenever there is a flux linked to it and this flux is constantly changing, you will get an induced EMF, and this the expression for induced EMF, which is also called as motional EMF, is given by a relationship BL into V. Okay, V is the constant speed with which the conductor is moving within magnetic field. Okay, where L is the effective length. What is the effective length of this whole circular wire? It is twice of radius. So this is the effective length that you need to take, and rest B is constant. So the motional EMF comes out to be B is 1 Tesla into length is twice of R. R is 1 meter multiplied by V. The speed is 1 meter per second. So eventually you will be getting as 2 is the expression that we are getting. So 2 volt is the correct expression. So that means third option is correct. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.